How's it going, YouTube? Today we are going to be installing the rubber seat backs for 2021 and up Ford Broncos. So if you've watched any of my videos before, you know that I have a black diamond. This is the marine grade vinyl. It has the rubber floors. Yes, they're filthy, but Ford still put silly carpet on the back of these seats. So if you've seen any of my other videos, you also know I have a golden retriever. Well, his hair sticks all over to the back of the seats. So before we put these on, I'm just gonna use this. It's got like a little rubber fingers, and you just kind of brush it. I'm gonna get all this hair up, and then we're gonna go ahead and install those rubber mats. Okay, so here those mats are. I know it's windy, but when you get them, they're gonna be folded up. So you're gonna want to put them out in the sun, let them warm up, and try and flatten them out. Okay, so these just all have Velcro on the back. And then you have this kit I bought, which I'll have a link down in the description. It has 4 pieces. It has the upper and the lower pieces. I know at least when the early kits came out, that wasn't always the case. But this kit is by far one of the better priced ones I've found. And it comes complete with everything. So all you really need to do is line all this stuff up, and it just Velcros on. All you have on the back is Velcro. So this is not permanent, but it's going to stick for a very, very long time. So let me get this positioned and I will show you the final result. Okay, so I went ahead and threw these 2 pieces on. Now these just attach with Velcro. So this is like the rough side of the Velcro, and then it fits right into the soft back of the seats. This kit came with all 4 pieces. So there's a piece for this, which goes up there. This goes on the small, the 40 side of the split. And then you've got your 2 bottom pieces. And these will flatten out once it gets a little warmer in here. But once you put it on there, I mean, it's on there. So also can easily remove it if and when you ever need to. There's the little cutout, and you just have to basically line them up with the seat and Velcro them on. So I am going to use both hands to throw that on quick and show you the final result. So there it is with the seats folded down. Now all this stuff will smooth out once it gets warmer in here. It's only like low 50s right now, not very warm out. So yeah, there it is with the seats. And here is the view with the seats folded up. So much improved. It looks like it should have come this way from the factory, which realistically it should have. Let me know what you think. Check the link down below for where you can go buy these for yourself on Amazon. It is well worth purchasing them, in my opinion. I mean, even like those lines match the lines in the cargo area. It's going to be so much easier to clean up, makes it more rugged. The pieces fold like they're supposed to. Go pick yourself up a set of these. Link down below. Thanks for watching, everybody.